2013, several brads na mahilig mag-basketball decided to come up with a mini tournament actually. And we decided to make it formal and official. So we invited several teams, chapters or consiliums na magbuo ng SJBL or Centilla Juris Basketball League. So we started with five teams. And now this is our fourth season. We have 7 teams with 7 teams pero 8 schools participating and 8 chapters. Ngayon we have LB, FEU, UST, and Philippine Science High School Alumni Brads, and PUP and San Beda combined, Stags, ito yung mga 90s Brads. Ito yung isa to? Mariposa is the consilium naman ng Brads living in Marikina, Mandaluyong, Rizal, Ortigas, Pasig. So marami yan, Mariposa. So
2016 kasi yung last na league, tapos last year, meron na talagang momentum na magtuloy kaso walang mahanap na venue. And eventually kasi maraming brads na Pisay alumni. So nung November na-conclude yung alumni league namin. So right after nun, suggest namin why not Pisay. So yun, from there natuloy-tuloy yung momentum. And then also kasi 6 years na significant yung membership ng mga brads na Pisay. Pero recently medyo konti yung recruitment eh. So we also see this as an opportunity para maging visible sa campus. Ano na, mga graduating na yung mga K-12 students. So they can maging visible tayo. So eventually makatulong sa recruitment.
The dream is to make this league bigger. So with this activity na maraming participants, maraming responses din ng mga alumni na kumulong. So ang goal is next season, matuloy-tuloy siya next season. And we might have makakuha na ng mga corporate sponsors na medyo malaki na yung liga and medyo mas maraming magpa-participate. Other chapters especially to join the Centilla Juris Basketball League. Brads can form a team and join next season. And then also even alumni, even the batch dekada 80 or 90, the 70s Brads, they can come up with a team or combine and join us next season.
And even the residents also can join. So sa different chapters na residents, so they can also play. It's not restricted for alumni. So at least nagiging yung dream natin na nag-cross and Christmas sa Centillas. So eventually, mangyayari isa to sa mga venue. 1, 2. Okay. Isa pa!
Isa pa!
Centilla Juris, like the row!